Good day, everybody. It's the Random Rim Rocker here, back again to continue on this Chibi Minecraft Mascot OC character, whatever, whatever you want to call it. Um, yeah, this is exactly where we left off the last part, but I only just realized I can just append the headphones and see what I can do to this model, because I believe I don't really need to remodel all of this. Yeah, it would be a waste of time to remodel everything here. So I just figured, why not just, append this. And also, I want to go to my previous thingy to see. I just realized, oh, what the hell happened to my textures? I think it's just broken. Whatever. But if I enable bevel here, I realized that the headphones doesn't really bevel. Okay, it's really dark right now. Let me do flat shading. Yeah, like I don't see beveling. Yeah, over here there's no beveling here, and I'm not sure if that's desired. Does it make sense for that part to not be beveled? Might be. It might make sense. I don't know. Because this is not a connected mesh. Also, what the hell is this? Why is this part marked as bevel? Yeah, why that part shouldn't be beveled? That means I gotta fix this one too. Okay. Well then, I guess we're not beveling that part because I don't think it looks great beveling that part. Alright, so now let's just do the headphones part. Also, I'm supposed to scale the object, the size or whatever. The UV scale, but I haven't done that yet because I'm a lazy bum. I'll do that later though. So let me just scale these edges first. Yeah. Let's scale it by like 1.5. I think something like this would manifest a cuter proportion. Possibly 1.5 here too. Yeah, I think something like this looks nicer instead of just one block. In fact, I might want to exaggerate this even more. So this time I should just select all the edges here and scale it by 1.8. Yeah, let's try 1.8. Scale this by 1.8 as well. Oops, nope. 1.8. Okay. Yeah, something like this probably looks... Yeah. Oh, wait, what the hell? Why is it lower? Wait. Did I make a mistake? Oh, median point. What? Wait, is that correct? I don't know. I have no idea. Wait a minute. What went wrong? I honestly don't know what went wrong. Wait, what the hell? Wait a minute. What? Okay, something is wrong. One headphones is taller than the other. What happened? Oh, I ran out of undo steps. Wait, what? Is this a problem here too? Oh shit, what? What? Wait a minute, what the hell? Since when was this a thing? Okay. I can't believe this actually happened. Okay. Let me see. Is this... Oh my god. Oh, are you actually kidding me? This has been a problem since the very beginning. I'm so good at modeling, bro. I am just the best. Freaking somewhat Disney hire me. Like freaking we are... I got a PhD in modeling right here. Like, this is so stupid. How did I believe the scale is exactly the same, right? Yeah. The only problem is just it's not aligned properly. And how the hell? How the hell did this get away with it? And also, seems like, I don't know. Is it currently aligned to the... Oh shit. It looks like I just accidentally pulled one, like even the other meshes vertices upwards. That's actually stupid. Wow. It only took us like probably an entire year to notice. Is this how you fix it? I don't know if I fixed it. Oh shit, wait, this isn't even aligned either. It's wonky. Oh, what the hell? Okay, you know what? I'm feeling angsty about this. I'm not liking this. I'm just remodeling it. Don't care. This, I can't even rely on the original model that I used. It's just so bad. It's actually terrible. It's actually that bad that I can't trust it. I can't believe I actually modeled that without realizing. That has got to be the worst modeling job that's ever lived. So let's just snap it to this vertex here. Oh, wait. I want this boy. Snap it there. And is this actually floating? Oh, it is floating a bit. Okay. And then we shall snap this dangus here. Oh, wait, what am I doing? I shouldn't be following. I should not be following. Because the mesh is already wonky. I should be modeling myself. Okay, that means that... Okay, you know what? Let's start over. Let's start over. I don't trust this. So, we scale the cube down. Let's just position this properly. And I'm just gonna pick a random spot to be my... Yeah. Let's just pick this spot. Okay, what the hell? Let's not be stupid here. I can't trust the orthographic view. It's probably gonna screw me over. Okay, you know, I'm just gonna eyeball this because I don't think the dimensions are correct. I'm just gonna pick one corner and use that as my reference because I know both sides are not symmetrical. There is some error. Or why not I just pick... Oh wait, actually, I'm being an idiot. I'm actually an idiot. Why not I just pick one side? Let me just subdivide, yeah. I just pick one side. Wait, what the hell? Why is it not? Okay, this model is weird. Why can't I loop cut? What? What's wrong with this model? Okay, you know what? Don't care. I'm just gonna delete one half of this. Can I not loop cut? Okay, this is stupid. I gotta manually knife it, I guess. Is this even connected? I don't know what I'm doing here, but let me just hide the unrelated shit. And I want to see what this model is really doing. I guess I have no choice but to use the knife tool. Where is the knife? Okay. Can I snap to vertex here? Okay, it is snapping, yeah. Nice. I can't believe that actually happened. I can't believe this this model is so... It's so trash. Okay, so now I just have to delete one side. Oh. Delete one side. Okay, how did I not select that? And pick just one side. Wait, but I have to make sure that, okay. I have to make sure that the thingies are all, okay. I gotta make sure by looking at it. Oh, what? Even this thing is not centered. Okay, I might have deleted the wrong side. I might want to choose the side that is like not altered. Okay. Wait. Oh wait, no. This seems like the nature of the headphones. Or is it? I don't even know if this was intentionally done. Ugh. You know what? It's actually, this thing is actually giving me too many problems, man. I might just start over. I don't know. Let's just start over. I don't know. It might just be better to start over. And even this thing is not. Yeah, this is actually terrible. Okay. Screw this. Screw this piece of shit. I want to, before I actually like delete anything, I want to make sure that this is actually, is it following the pixels of this mesh? Let me go to wireframe mode. Oh, I haven't subdivided it. Oh, okay, we're getting ahead of ourselves. Wow, check out my professional modeling skills, brother. Now we can go in wireframe mode and actually see what's happening. And seems like it's smaller than a pixels. Yeah, it seems like custom sized, so I don't really, I only really need the headphones as a guide. And oopie poopie, looks like someone's coming home. Might have to pause soon. But until then, we continue. So okay, is this cube aligned perfectly to the world? Seems like it is. I don't see any misalignment. Yeah, everything's aligned, so this cube is trustable. I can count on this. So all I gotta do is just, can I snap these to the, I wanna snap this to the world origin. Okay, you know what? Selection to cursor. Shit. Let's duplicate a vertex, selection to cursor, and then we just snap it to the center vertex. Okay. So now we just need to worry about one side, and then we'll just mirror the other side. Right? Know what I'm saying? Okay. So don't have to worry too much about this. Let me look at the wireframe of this. This isn't even modeled that nicely. The topology's garbage. We need to do better. So, how do I want to make a cube here. A square, I mean. Oh no, how do we do this? I really have no idea. I gotta think. I'm literally just using my own way to figure this out right now. I guess we can duplicate these right here. And then I have to snap these vertices to something. And let me just use something as an anchor point. So, okay, before that, cursor to active, snap these to here, and rotate based on my 3D cursor. I'm just using plain old math and do something like this. And all I gotta do now is, now I don't need these vertices anymore, so I just need these vertices. They're the same distance apart. That means I will be forming a square here, but Okay, now I just gotta duplicate this and snap it. Yeah, there we go. Nice. Okay. Okay, we're getting it. So all I gotta do now is do a knife tool. Okay, I gotta see what the doorbell is. Oh boy, I'm back after like, I don't know, you can see the time here. I just had breakfast, so yeah. Oh wait, this is the wrong button file. Okay, I don't remember where I left off. Oh, it's this. Oh, I was thinking, am I even modeling? I probably am not modeling the best way. I'm probably modeling in one of the worst ways possible. Because I don't even know what the hell I'm doing, brother. Like, is this even snapping? I don't know. Does it snap to my vertex? It's not snapping. How do I know if it snaps? It's snapping to the what? Okay, you know what? Let's just build this mesh from the ground up. I know this technique. It's a very manual way. Okay, stop it. I need this. Yes. Okay, it's an extremely manual way, but it works, and it should be able to, yeah. So just construct the faces like this, and we connect these. Okay, like this. Yeah. Will this be connected? Okay, it is. So this is how I learned to do it. And now we get to, now we got the hole here that we can extrude downwards, which is cool. And I need the original mesh, yeah. Let's use this as the guide. And now we just select this hole and we extrude downwards. So that we know for 100% certainty that we are not extruding into any, you know, any garbage. And I think we're done. Well, just for one side. And then we will do the mirror modifier. Okay, why are we in Chinese? Yes, nice. Perfecto. Now, just to make sure, let me just quickly apply this real quick. I want to see in edit mode. If there's any mistakes, I want to make sure every vertex is on top of each other in orthographic views. Because that would make sure everything's perfect. Alright, it looks like it is. So, yeah, this is going pretty swimmingly right now. Then we can just fill in this face. We don't really need... Yeah. And we could do some loop cuts here. I don't know. Though it's not really necessary. Oh, what the hell? Why is it? Yeah. Why does it move by itself? I didn't even move my mouse. What? I didn't move my mouse, bro. Oh, it's because of the snappy. Stop, snappy. Okay. Yeah, this doesn't really look too appealing though. Because it's like, this is a square, this is a rectangle. It's all rectangles until it goes to the square again. But the topology is... I don't know. Maybe this is okay. I don't know if there's any point to doing... Wait. Okay, let me just do loop cuts first and see what happens. Alright, so do loop cuts there. And just guess. It looks like everything's a square right now, so I'm just guessing. Is it a good idea to loop cut here too? I don't know. Perhaps. Wait a minute, what the hell happened here? Why is it not looping? Okay, something is stupid right now. Let's do some mesh cleanup. I don't know. Let's do like, I don't know, merge by distance. And then maybe we recalculate the normals or something. Recalculate outside. Does it fix anything? It does not. Why does it stop there? Okay, something is wrong. When you come across a problem like that, you know something is definitely wrong. But I'm not sure what. So Well, we could use the knife tool to just simply fix it real quick. Boop. Boop. Alright. And boop. Boop. Okay. So, I'm guessing this is now a loop cut. Wait, why is it not connected? Okay, something is wrong. Why is this not considered a loop cut? Something is this disjointed? It's not. If it's not disjointed, why is it? Wait, what does this even mean? What is this? Why? What? Oh, what the hell? There's a face in there. Why? Oh. So that's the reason why. Oh. Okay. So we fixed it. Okay, it was a... I forgot what the term is called, but it's like, it's not a... There's like meshes, there's face... Goodness, I wanna know what the word is called again. I think I'll be able to find out with ChatGPT or something. Okay, you know what? No. Let me just... Okay. What is that term called when... what is the term used to describe a mesh that has faces in the inside? I think it's manifold. I think it's manifold or something like that. Oh, non-manifold. Non-manifold. Manta flow. Freaking, I remembered manta flow and then manifold. Okay. Manta flow is not the thing. Vertices and surfaces connect in impossible ways. Yeah, exactly. Intersecting geometry without proper cuts. Zero thickness geometry. Two cubes sharing the same face. Holy. Yeah, basically broken meshes. Non-manifold. What does manifold even mean? Whatever. We don't need to dive so deep. Oh, what is manifold in 3D? Just out of curiosity. A clean, watertight, solid model where every edge connects exactly two faces, forming a single enclosed surface without holes, gaps, or internal structures. Essential for 3D printing and simulations. Think of a perfect balloon. If it's a manifold surface enclosing a volume, a non-manifold mesh has errors like holes, overlapping faces, or edges shared by more than two faces, confusing software trying to define an inside and outside. Well, I guess that's exactly what happened. And also, that is a... I gotta keep in mind that AI is... Recently, I've been using AI a lot, and I watched videos about like how we shouldn't be relying too much on AI, which I think is totally fair, but I think AI is useful for a lot of things, like exactly what I just searched up for just now. Like, I remember this one word that I don't remember exactly, and if I just type it on Google, it may not be an answer that I was expecting, or the answer that I wanted to get, because Google doesn't understand context in your question. I can type a question that's like 5 sentences or an entire essay long, and it would give me the exact context that I need for the answer. So yeah, I think AI is useful in a lot of ways like that, but I don't know. I don't know if I should like reduce my AI usage more or something. But obviously, AI is absolutely garbage when it comes to art. So, never have I ever used AI for art and creative endeavors. Well, maybe other than storytelling, because like I need like, you know, I don't really have a lot of experience in creating like my own IP. So I kind of need I kind of need the help from AI for that to like get like creative suggestions and whatnot. Why does it snap the vertex there? Come on. Why are you doing that? Okay, I have an idea. Why not we just go in edit mode, select this vertex, cursor to select it, and then just do selection to cursor. Yeah, there we go. Just freaking outsmarted that dingus. And in order to yeah, just do that, simple. And I also need the original. Oh shit, didn't want to extrude there. My hotkeys are like overlapping with each other, so it's kind of hard to do stuff sometimes. And I need this thickness to be exactly this much. Yeah. The fact that there's no Z fighting means there's a mistake in my model. Well, probably in one of the models, most likely this one, so that's why I'm remodeling everything. Yeah. And now I just need to figure out the exact size, so let's just take these. Let's pick a corner. Is that the correct corner? No. Okay. Wait, no, I shouldn't be doing that because why am I doing that? This thing isn't even centered. I want it to be centered, and this thing isn't even centered, so shouldn't be following that. Should not be. I should just be doing this myself. So sometimes I forget what I'm actually supposed to do. If I can just guess the scale and whatnot, because these are just completely arbitrary scaling that I picked by myself. And looks like my origin is messed up. Let's redo the origin. There we go. Put the cursor back to where it belongs. Okay, now there is a bit of Z fighting. But you can see the Z fighting is like offset. And what is this? Looks like my headphones are rotated slightly. It shouldn't be like that. It should be completely flat. Either flat or it's like no Z fighting at all. I mean, completely Z fighting. Like 100% Z fighting, but yeah, definitely some problems with my model here. And we're probably gonna have to mirror this again as well. But before that, let's just subdivide this with 2 cuts and never mind, let's do loop cut instead. Loop cut this dangus and this dangus. Okay, no, don't snap please. Looks correct. You know, I'm gonna do that again because I had snapping enabled. We gotta make sure 100% there's no mistakes. And I think a loop cut there would be appropriate just for like topology reasons. You want like uniform as you want our, you know, we want our mesh density to be as uniform as possible. And yeah, well, actually this is not uniform anymore. I'm stupid. But hey, whatever. I don't really care about that. Now we can just extrude this face. Oh, what the hell? Why did... Oh, I thought something snapped. I thought the scale snapped or something. Okay, let's snap to vertex again. Snap it to somewhere here. Wait, why is it not snap? Oh, what? I thought it enabled it. Snap it there. Okay. And we don't need this shit anymore. Delete this. Get out of here. Nice. Okay. We are getting somewhere. And we just need another mirror modifier. I would like to mirror this based on... Looks like it's mirroring the wrong way. I think I need my origin to be at the 3D cursor, right? Is that how it works? Is that how that works? Ah, yes. Okay. Yeah. I guess that's how it works. I literally, you know, you can clearly tell I'm not a modeler. Honestly, this is a good practice for me, you know. I don't, as someone who has never really modeled anything, just something simple to model, and despite of how simple this is to model, it's still taking quite a bit of time to model, and yeah, it's really, it's a much needed practice as a very not untrained modeler who's not even a modeler. Okay, I kind of need my headphones back actually. I think it's this one, is it? Okay, yeah. If you're wondering why I can't, why I could instantly tell this was the headphone model, is because I saw that there was there was 0 users of that mesh that I appended into the blend file, and I could just tell because I deleted the mesh, so there's no way it exists in the scene anymore, but it still exists in the blend file, so I can find it. And just a guess, so honestly that's really cool. Okay, the reason why I bring this back is because I wanna reuse the materials actually. Because the materials, there's nothing wrong with the materials. It's just something's wrong with me. I mean, no, something's wrong with the model. What did I, why did I say something's wrong with me? I'm stupid. Okay, we need headphone band, headphone inner. Oh wait, okay. Headphones inner or outer. And then the inside of this. Wait a minute, is this a separate mesh or not? I gotta find out. Link. Oh, it is a. Oh, what did I just do? Okay. It is not a separate mesh. It is an entire closed mesh. Entirely closed mesh. Okay. Yeah, okay. Just wanted to check because of the fact that I don't know how the bevel modifier. Oh, because I used yeah, I used the blend the bevel weights. Yeah, I put weights of 0 at the edge there. So I should just do that. I don't need to. I thought I separated the mesh in order to. Wait, if that's the case, why did I separate the mesh for the entire band of the headphones? Might. I should just combine the headphones into one mesh, right? Uh, or do I not? I don't know. I'll just leave it like this first. I don't know, man. Should I connect it? Should I not? Should I? I don't know. I'm not a modeler. Is there even any benefits to connecting them? I don't think there is, so if there's not, then I'll just not connect them. Okay, let's add a new material. The inner one, assign this. Yeah, there we go. Yay. Perfect. Okay, I guess we can apply the modifier now. And this should be perfect now. So let's call this headphones. Okay, why can't I type? And yeah, this should be way better of a model than the original. Freaking one headphone's higher, one headphone's lower. Actually stupid. And holy, why is this so bright? It's probably coming at cavities, yeah. And let's do a custom black background so we can see everything. Yeah, now the only thing we're missing are the eyes. Okay. Alrighty. Yeah, this is a way. I like this. I like these proportions way more. Like the headphones are bigger than the body. I think that makes the proportions way more cute, as opposed to this one. This looks more stylized. I like this. This one actually, now that I come to look back at it, it looks normal. It looks like a child, sure, but it doesn't look It doesn't look anything special. This is more exaggerated. This is, you know, the more appealing type of proportions that a lot of, you know, the better quality like better quality stuff, they do it this way. So yeah, I think it's time to work on the thing that we've been avoiding touching for all this time, which is the stupid UVs. So let's just combine these meshes into the headphones now, and also let's just delete this. Let's call this headphones, because this is the actual headphones that we need, and we don't need this anymore, I think. Yeah. And then we also need, let's just name all the meshes, shall we? So this is the head, and this is the body. Ugh. Itchy nose. This is the right arm, left arm, and right leg, or right foot, I don't know, we'll just call it leg. Left leg. Okay. Really simple, very simple, really simple. And we don't need this collection anymore, so let's just do that. And I guess we can group, wait, actually no, we just need to rename the collection. So let's name this, I don't know, mesh. We're probably gonna have to change the name of the collection later, but let's put mesh as a placeholder for now. And yeah, it's time to work on the UVs, which should be simple because we already fixed the UVs. We just have to do these scale thingies. UV, wait, why don't we just do all at once? What am I doing? Let's just select everything here. Tab mode, edit mode. Oh, I didn't subdivide the rest yet. Okay. Forgot to subdivide. Oopsie poopsies. Here we go. We are gonna, oh, what am I doing? Hotkeys, hotkey farts. Farted my hotkeys. Okay. There we go. There we go. And this one's simple. Just have to, you know, not many pixels at all. Nice. Now, this one we can literally just subdivide like that because it's a complete cube. And now we are ready for the UV scales. So select everything. Yep. And wait a minute. Where is the add-on not enabled? Come on. MC prep. Brother, why did you disable my MC prep? It doesn't want to prepare my MC preparations. Okay. Oh, what? Why? Why are you only scaling one of them? Please, scale everything. Brother. Okay, do we really need to do it one by one? Is that what it wants me to do? Okay, I guess they only allow one by one. Well, that's stupid. Turns out MC prep isn't even all that good after all. Whoops. Okay. Now we should have everything scaled. Wait a minute. Oh. Yeah. Okay. This is good. This is good. Nice. All right. Damn, our texture. I'm still proud of my texture. Holy. This texture is so clean, bro. Like look at this. You just look at it, you instantly know how you're supposed to fold it. Like I can just print this. I can just take this, print it out, print it on a piece bleh, print it on a piece of paper and start folding the shapes and recreate this thing, this chibi character in real life. That's all I gotta do. Like, holy man, this is great. This is amazing. Okay. It's time for the eyes now. And the eyes are where? Okay. Yeah, I also want to re-rig the eyes in this Because the eyes, there's a big problem with the eyes. You can see how it just clips the eyes like that. It's not supposed to do, it's right. I'm using a Boolean system to do the eyes, but I think that's a bad way to do it. I think I should be using geometry nodes for this. Oh wow, this is gonna be oh wow. Okay, this re-rig is, I'm gonna learn so much just from re-rigging the same exact shit. Holy. Okay. Oh, we also gotta figure out the art style. Ooh boy. Okay, okay, okay. You know what, let's not get ahead of it. Let's not get ahead of ourselves here. We have to figure out the art style now. Do I want... You know, I want it... At first, I want it to have the eyes kind of extrude inwards. But I don't know if that's even gonna look good in Minecraft. Because look at this. If I extrude inwards here, there's this problem here. So I think this is a good point to save another copy because we're doing destructive iterations now. So version 4. Wait, where's my... Oh, version 2, version 3. Okay. Oh, version 4 time. Oh, and let's rename these versions. So projects. I have many projects. Oh, it was over there. Blender 5.0. Let's just put these into Chibi 1C. Yeah, Chibi 1C rig. Actually, this shouldn't even be here. I think okay, this is just the organization of my files here. Let me just create a new project because I don't think this suits it. Chibi 1C rig. Chibi mascot rig. Yeah. And blend files here. Just transfer them over. Make sure to be sure to grab the textures too. Okay. Yeah, because these aren't. This is not part of my Debool and Cooper. Debool IP that I'm trying to do. Not IP. It's not like I have any IPs if I'm doing Minecraft. Test renders, nice. And yeah, this is useless now. I have nothing here. Oh, sneak peek into my files. They're not much anyway. I barely even started on them. Okay. Well, we're working a new let's just reopen Blender because I have a feeling that all of my files are gonna have to relink. So let's see, version 4. Yeah, well, that's a bummer. Well, too bad. I only need to... Is there a easy way to fix this though? Cause textures, boom. Wait, no, I need to replace it. Replace textures. Okay. Well, I gotta do this for every one of my files now, don't I? GB1C. Okay, no, this is packed. This is a packed file. This is also packed, right? Oh, it's not. Wait, what? Why is it not packed? Come on. Brother. Where are my image files? Okay, well. This is a lot. Why do I have so many? Oh, it's only... Wait. Oh, this is not really used, is it? I don't think this is used. Well, I'm gonna have to replace this anyway. This is the closed eyes version. Okay, and open eyes. Open eyes, okay, there we go. Oh boy, we have to do this for all of the files. I just like my stuff organized. Is there a better way? There should be a better way, I don't know. but this is the only way I know at the moment. Why do I have two? What? Why do I have multiple versions of this crap? Okay, how do I delete this? Blend file. Let me just delete this garbage. This is just a duplicate. Oh god, what did I just do? Why is it using a duplicate, bro? Oh, but this is a broken. No, I don't even care about this file. Don't even need to fix it. Get out of here, brother. Yeah, this is the only one. These are the only ones I care. This is using the new textures too, so we can just boom. Done. And last one. Boom. And done. Version 4, there we go. Okay. Now, let's get back to business, shall we? Ugh. Okay. Well, it's time for the eyes. Wait. Okay, I have to think through this actually. Do I even create a cube or not? Okay, it's time to start learning how to use geometry nodes. So create a cube. Let's go into geometry nodes. New geometry node. Geometry. Why is it like that? Can I just delete this geometry and there's no geometry now? Yeah, so it doesn't even matter now. There's no geometry. We can add a cube, right? Okay. So this is the procedural version. So now, okay, vertices. Oh. Okay. Oh, so I can specify this. Okay, this is the fully procedural version of modeling now. Okay, so this is gonna be a really steep curve because this is geometry nodes is a domain that I'm extremely unfamiliar with. So you guys are gonna have to bear with me here. I only know the simplest of the simplest. Okay, how do I even do this? I guess that works. Like, how do I even... How does one even work with this? How do I even make sure that my stuff snaps to whatever I want it to snap with? Because do I have to just input values like that? Like, what? Are you sure? Is it... what? Do I even need to use this cube thingy? Or can I just create a cube like this? Wait, this is a brand new cube. Can I just create a cube in edit mode? Yeah, I just do that. Wait, but is this not even part of a geometry node? Yeah. Unless I stick it here. Okay, yeah, this makes sense now. Okay, so this is only part of the geometry of my... I guess this is the, like... This is the traditional way of modeling. Okay, I'm gonna try the traditional modeling technique first. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna waste so much time here. Bear with me, guys, if you're watching. If you're planning to watch it anyway. I know most people aren't gonna watch it, but... hey. I still appreciate you being here. Okay, so let's just create a cube. I'm just gonna roughly put this... let's enable wireframe. I'm just gonna attach these vertices to where I need them to be first. So... enable this freaking thingy again. Yeah. Okay. This should be good. Okay, now we're knocking. This is good now. So does the origin point even matter when it comes to geometry nodes? I don't think it does, right? How far does the eye stick out again? Stick out not really much. Yeah, I wouldn't want to do it too much either, because that would look absolutely stupid. So the reason I think geometry nodes is the answer here is because there's probably a bevel. Wait, is there no? Is there no bevel? There is Boolean. Okay, because I know I can use Boolean to control the thingy, at least. And then we use bevel to... We use bevel as the last step, so that it doesn't give that same clipping problem as I showed earlier. So, okay, before that, I wanna make sure my art direction here works. So, let's just name this right eye. We'll get back to this later. I just want to make sure that, okay, we're doing destructive work right now, so that's why we save. Okay, you know what, I'm gonna save this as another version. So, just gonna select the eyes again. And, what do we do? I think I first extrude it out like this. And what I need to do now is find a way to rip these faces off. Why can't I rip those? Okay. So I rip those out. Wait, what the hell? Oh. And what I need to do now is... Wait, let me unrip that. And what if I just do this? So we make this completely separate from the base mesh, so now this is not linked anymore. Okay. And now I need this to be... Oh god. What did I just do? Okay, stop that. Okay, now I just need this to be not linked. Wait, what did I just do? Oh shit. Okay. Okay. So... Okay, now this thing is bothering me, so I need this to move in a predictable increment. Okay, so it's out here for now. Just to make sure I can bring it back. Yeah. This looks correct. Okay. So, I just want this to be indent in. Yeah, okay, there we go. Now we're making some progress. I don't know by how much I want this to indent in though. We'll just choose an arbitrary amount first. And now we need to do some geometry manipulation. Let's close this window because we don't need it right now. Okay. Let's just enable this again. Okay. Extrude this upwards. And inwards again. We can connect these two. And we'll probably need to subdivide this twice to match the, you know. And now, okay, we're gonna have a lot of broken UVs for now. Oh, have I forgotten to, okay. Forgot to subdivide that. Oh, brother. Stop it. Not now. Is it disable Wi-Fi? And just keep connecting stuff like this. Okay. Now let me just fix this real quick because this is kind of bothersome. Wait. Okay, I can just do this. Let's go to UVs. And yeah, you can see how broken these are. How do I fix this? How do I reset this? Unwrap or something? Okay, yeah. And now I just basically have to find where these belong. Actually, I don't need to be perfect. I can just scale it down like this and do this. Yeah, no one will ever know. unless we start modifying the rig again. Then we only concerned about that. But now, I think we pretty much got it, right? Now we just have to connect these stuff here. And we subdivide these two thingies too, as well. And now we just connect everything together. Right? Connect these. Oh yeah. Oh. Okay, yes. Can't even see what I'm clicking on. Okay. It had this like crazy looking eyeball. But when we fix this as well, unwrap this dangus. Oh wait, no, this is the eye. What am I doing? Oh, I wanted to snap. Okay, snap to pixels. Okay, actually we don't need this anymore. This is not necessary. It was kind of like my backup in case I ever needed it. But it looks like I don't anymore. So yeah. This art direction. Now obviously we can choose how much we want this to go in. Oh, what the hell? Oh. No proportional editing right now, please. Yeah, we can choose how much we want this to go in. Probably not by much. We probably want it to be quite subtle. But if we do this, yeah, I think this is a way better choice because you get to see. And now if we add the eye back and we add the eye. Yeah. Okay, but this is gonna cause some... The problem with doing this though is that how are we going to... If I want to add eyebrows, I'm gonna have to add another mesh, am I not? So I'm gonna need to rig these eyelids to go up or down depending on how I want my eye shape to look like. Normally I don't expect me needing to do that. Okay. Let's delete these. Just want to do the same thing here too. We'll figure out as we go. Oh, oops. Rip and select delete. Oh, delete. Yep. And yeah, we can pretty much just copy all of this, right? I think we can just literally just copy and paste it. Don't have to do it all over again. And I just realized I'm speaking quite soft because when I'm speaking for such a long time, I can't really speak that loud, so it's kinda what I need to do. But yeah, if you select these things, and then we just duplicate, move it over to this side, and we just turn on the vertex thingy again, vertex snap. Hey, okay. Alright. The only thing is that we don't need these things. Wait, can we just flip it? Is it possible to just flip? Okay, what if I just rip it? I can't rip? What? Why can't I rip? Whatever. Oh, wait. Okay, I still need to rip these things. So... These things still needs to be ripped. Okay, hold up. Oh god. I need to rip the vertex, don't I? Why? Hello? Okay, what the actual heck? Why is it not ripping the way I want it to rip? I mean, this is fine, but I don't need this vertex to be ripped. I'm just gonna merge it back. So I'm assuming. Okay, is this correct now? No. Oh god. Oh god. Well, I'm gonna do this then. That's the only way I know how to do it. So now we can just do this now. Yeah. And then we just want to do this by the vertex amount. Looks like this much, yeah. We can unhide those, and we can just combine the merge by distance, and yeah. Yeah, now we only have these holes to fill in. Is this filled in? Can't tell probably because of the cavity. I don't know. Is this a face? Oh, it is a face. Oh, it's just because of the fact that it's the black color of my skin. Okay. It just needs to be white here. Bottom part's all white. Yep. And now we just gotta fill these things in. There we go. Unwrap these danguses and fill it with the eye white. I mean the skin. And hey, we got something now. Got something that could work. Okay, I have to think about this from a rigging standpoint, since we're planning for this to be a rig. If I want this, if we subdivide this actually, okay, this is gonna look horrible, but we subdivide it. Let's say by 2. Okay, let's save before we apply because this is not what I want to do. Wait, what? Okay. So, oh, whoa. Oh, shit. Even these parts are subdivided too. Okay, my mesh is my topology is terrible right now, but... Oh, God. Okay, how do people do this? This is terrible. How do people do this? I need to know. Is this normal? Let me open a blend file and check my old Thomas rig modified. Oh god, where is it? Oh. Okay. Let's get a wireframe. If I apply subdivision, what's gonna happen? Oh. Okay. Let me just isolate this. For Thomas rig, I don't know if this is normal for... Oh, what the hell? The entire face, the face part is a separate mesh. Why? Why is that so? Yeah, what the hell? Is this because of the fact that the subdivisions is not needed for the like optimization? Because that would make sense, but yeah, if the eyes... Wait, what? Oh no, it is connected. Oops. Okay, Um, hmm. So it is possible. This is how people do it. But I just don't really know how they rig the eyes. My eyes are 3 pixels big though. Oh, they're way bigger than Thomas rig. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh yeah, it is still 8 pixels. I guess it makes sense because the head is the same exact size as, you know. Okay, this is something that I need to explore first before I move on to other steps because, uh, yeah. If I move this, oh, I need to use Calmol Clark. Catmull. Is it cat or Catmull? Okay. I think I do need to use this just using mean crease. And I think I should also separate the front of my mesh from the back too, right? Possibly. This is so new to me. Okay. I think I'm gonna have to use the knife tool here because this thing I need it to be connected with the other mesh. So I'm just gonna try to see if I can do a loop cut. Okay, I can. Okay, I'm just gonna add a loop cut here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select both loop cuts just to fix the topology here. I'm gonna snap it to vertex again, like this. And now I'm just gonna merge all the vertices by distance. And it should be fixed. Yeah. Okay. That's good. That's good. That's good. Okay. Now, problem is... Oh wait, I am able to separate the face, the front face. So by doing X-ray mode again, I just select the front faces, making sure I don't select anything else, which I don't think I have. And then I select these faces too. Ooh, shit. Because these are important too. It's part of the front of the face. And I just separate. Right? If I separate that, then yeah. So basically what I have here is the same Thomas rig thing, but the subdivisions are going to be applied. Okay, but there is an outline, but I don't think it's, yeah. It's only visible in the viewport. When you render it, it's not going to be visible, so that's good. So right now, that means my subdivision is going to be applied in the front of the face, as I don't need subdivisions at the back. I'm assuming this is what Thomas Rig's doing, but if that's not the case, then I guess I can just combine it back. It doesn't matter. So now I want to try mean crease here. So I need to figure out which parts I don't want the mesh to be mean creased and which parts I do want mean crease to happen. So obviously all of these parts here, the eyes, I want to maintain its shape. So these, especially the corners too, don't need to be they do need to be creased. And also these edges, I don't want them to get smoothed out. Okay, it feels like almost everywhere, honestly. Because our mesh here is 3D. It's extruded. Honestly, I'm not even sure which parts need this compared to which other parts. This is using my intuition and guesses. Just a bunch of guesswork. I'm nothing I'm not doing anything special. Really just guessing here. Okay, you know what? Let's just mean crease, and whatever problems we see later, we fix it. Okay, never mind. Immediately. I just forgot this part. Mean crease. Okay, so now, if I move something, it should be smoothed out, yeah. Okay, so this is, I guess this is how they do it. So if I like use a rig, if I rig this up and start like moving the eyes, yeah, this looks okay. I mean, do like a scared. Oh God, that's not how I wanted to do it. Yeah. Okay, this works. This kind of works. Okay. So we kind of figured out the face, how the face is going to deform. Now, another thing is the hair. The hair has no thickness right now. That's a problem. I think I'm just going to disable outlining because I don't want to see that. So the hair needs thickness. That's a problem. So I think we need to do a hairless version and then yeah, we kind of do need to do that, don't we? Okay, we're going to duplicate this. Oh man, our naming this is where things are going to start getting messy. So just focus on the head. This is where we recombine everything so that there's no like loose parts. Oh wait, we have to join the meshes first. Oh God, what happened? And then merge by distance. So now this entire thing is one big blob. Yep. Okay. And what we're really interested in here right now is just the hair. So I'm just going to select the hair. And see how it goes. Yeah, we only need the 2D parts. We don't need the... Okay, let's separate this. And now we don't need that anymore. We just need the hair, and we'll say solidify modifier. We want it to grow outwards. Make sure it's even thickness too. And okay, this is where we have a bit of a problem because of our topology. And what happened here? Oh, what? Did I miss out something? I might have. Okay, something here is broken, but should be an easy fix. Let's do that and merge the vertices again. Is everything else okay? I think so. Let's do it again. Okay, there we go. So that's fixed, but this isn't. So what seems to be the problem here? Seems that I kind of forgot how to solve problems like these. I think it's because of the fact that we need to rip the faces here. Yeah, kinda. But okay, this is something that we need to fix manually, it feels like. It seems like. Yeah, because the solidify modifier isn't smart enough to figure out how to fix it. So let's just see how it looks like with everything else applied. Okay. Honestly looks kind of funny. Probably because of how thick the hair is. But if you reduce the thickness, So let's say 0.08. Should be good, right? Not too thick. He'd be a thick boy. There is overlapping meshes though. I'm not sure if I like that. Okay. Well, because the solidify modifier is giving problems like this, let's save a copy of this backup hair before solidify. And then duplicate hair and apply the solidify modifier. And then we fix the topology problems. Okay, this actually needs a separate extrusion. Okay, not the cleanest fix, but it works. And now got something like this, which should work. Let me just go to rendered view real quick because I kind of want to see how it looks like properly. Any problems? Looks mostly fine. Yeah. Looks mostly fine to me. Doesn't look like the hair is too thick. I think it's cute. It's coming together. Now the eye is still a problem. Okay, what is the next step actually? I think it's the eye. Is it the eye? I think so. Oh god. Okay, I think it's the eye, so we can't really escape. I mean, it's not that I want to escape anything, it's just don't really want to do it because it's kind of spooky. So let's just create a new material. We need an image texture. We need the eye. I think we need the old one. Okay. Yeah, subdivide this once too. Or actually just give it loop cuts. I don't want to give it subdivisions along the thickness. And okay. Oh man, this is not the right one. This is not the right file. Okay, which texture is this from? This is packed. Angry. Okay, I think I already have this file somewhere. Oh, it's over here. Okay. I'm just gonna copy and paste it here. Is it possible? Yeah. Why is it all the way here? Whatever. And here we go. Wait, it's still the wrong one? What? Can't be. Oh no, you're kidding. Oh, it's here. Okay, makes sense now. Unwrap and these are the only 4 faces I care about right now. Snap to that. Awesome. Not so awesome, we gotta put it closest. And the rest of these should just be... I'm just gonna do it manually, don't care. This doesn't need any skill, though it does make it easier and faster if you have skills, which I don't have. I'm a skillless dangus. Got 0 skill in modeling. Just the back of his head imprinted on the back there. So stupid. Okay. Now I do need to flip this the other way. Yeah. Okay. Eyeball's done. Quite simple. And I guess we can just do a simple mirror modifier too. Or do I? I'm not really sure. I drink some water. Man, I got a dry throat. I gotta... Okay, actually, it has come to my attention that this video is already an hour and 21 minutes long. Holy. Because of the fact that my previous video was, the part 1 was like an hour and 25 minutes, I think it would be nice to have some consistency to these parts and screen recordings. So yeah, I think I might just stop here. And the next episode, we're gonna be addressing the eye. How are we supposed to rig the eye? How do we use geometry nodes to like have the eye move around and still have the bevel work nicely, and not have these broken problems where, you know, first of all, like over here, you see this? Yeah, this is one of the bevel problems I'm talking about. So you move the eye here. First of all, there's 2 problems. The bevel, it's cut off, as you can see. This is how it should look like. This is with this correct bevel, but it just gets trimmed off. The bevel just gets trimmed off when it comes over here. Wait. I might actually just be stupid. Wait, hold up. Is that as simple as just doing that? Wait, no. Okay, never mind. Never mind. I am not smart. I am... Okay, no, it's not as simple as just doing that, unfortunately. I mean, the order of your operations are important, but I don't think it fixes anything. Yeah, because we're getting these weird problems. Yeah, it's just breaking. It's broken. So, oh, what the... Oh, okay. So Boolean after armature. Nah, none of this is fixing it. So I think geometry nodes is the solution here, because geometry nodes is just procedural everything. And the second problem is the eye texture. Though I tried to... Wait, maybe the... Oh no, the texture is also broken. Yeah. The sides of the textures get broken. I mean, it looks correct in the beginning, but when the thing touches the edges, that's when the textures break. So yeah, these are problems I have to address in the next one. Yeah. Well then, I guess we'll end it here then. The eye geometry nodes, it's gonna be a big topic, something that I've always wanted to learn, but haven't really found the use case for it. Well, this is the first time I find a use case for geometry nodes. So yeah, hopefully anyway, geometry nodes is the solution to this problem. Otherwise, if it's not the solution to the problem, then it's just gonna be anticlimactic. I'm just gonna be like hyping. I'm gonna be using geometry nodes, but then in the end, I use something else. That would be stupid. But yeah, exactly 25 minutes, 1 hour 25 minutes. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.